to welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the 5-in-1 power bank by VRURC. And this one has built-in cables and AC wall plug. It is a 1000 milliamp phone charger. Has a LED display. Ultra slim USB Type-C power bank compatible with all the smart devices. And they also have a black color or white color to choose from. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description, and also click on the discount coupon. So you don't need to worry about carrying an extra cable with you. It is easy to carry around with a foldable AC plug. So yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Echo from their marketing team for sending me this, so I get to this review. The output current is 3 amps, 5 volt. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys the item. So here's the product description right here. So it is by VRURC. It is made in China. As you can see, it's pretty slim. So here's a user manual right here. Wow, look at that. Nice. So here's the charging cable right here. It is on both sides. And this is a lightning charging plug right here for your iPhone or your iPod, your iPad. And then on this side, you got the USB Type-C, and then the micro USB right here. Here's a flat down AC plug. And then on the bottom right here, you have a USB Type-C. And then a USB Type A right here. And here's the power switch right here. So it shows 47% right now. So I'm going to do a test real quick to charge multiple devices. Let me go get my devices. Alright, here are all the devices right here. So I got my Note 20 Ultra 5G right here with this USB Type-C. I could just plug in here. And I got this Qi Pitakara wireless charger. As you can see, it shows 100% is charging. So I'm gonna plug this USB Type A right here, and then I'm gonna set my iPhone right here. So as you can see, it is charging, and USB Type C right here for my only got 8% for my Z4 III. Wow, look at that. So now 3 devices. Got one more to test right here. There you go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 devices charging at the same time. All right. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description, and be sure to check out the discount code or coupon with it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.